Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones OPPO Enco Air Pro to your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices. Now click pair new device, after that open the case and it should automatically enter to pairing mode. But if it doesn't, press and hold on connectional button until you can see that LED it start flashing white. Here we go. Now we should see it. And here we go, click on it. Pair. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!